Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to achieve curly hair. First, ensure your hair is clean and damp, not soaking wet. This provides the ideal foundation for curl formation. Next, distribute a generous amount of curl-defining cream or mousse from roots to ends. This product helps to activate and hold your natural curl pattern. Finally, use a wide-tooth comb to gently detangle, preparing your hair for styling without disrupting its texture. Now, let's define those beautiful curls. You can use finger coiling for more defined spirals. Simply wrap small sections of hair around your finger. Alternatively, scrunch your hair upwards towards your scalp. This technique encourages your natural curl pattern to spring into action. Focus on creating consistent curl clumps for a uniform look. Be gentle to avoid frizz and maintain the integrity of your curls. Proper drying is crucial for lasting curls. You have two main options: air drying or using a diffuser. If using a diffuser, set it to a low heat and speed to prevent frizz and heat damage. Cup sections of your hair in the diffuser bowl and lift towards your scalp. Resist the urge to touch your hair while it dries. Once completely dry, gently scrunch your hair to break any cast, revealing soft, bouncy curls. To maintain your gorgeous curls, protect them overnight. A silk bonnet or pillowcase reduces friction and preserves your curl pattern. For second-day curls, a light mist of water mixed with a small amount of curl refresher can reactivate them. Gently scrunch and allow to air dry. Remember, avoid brushing dry curly hair, as this can lead to frizz and disrupt your curl definition. Enjoy your beautiful, lasting curls.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.